Luke 8 verse 50. But when Jesus heard it, he answered him, saying, Fear not, believe only, and she shall be made whole. That's the words of the Lord for you today. That He wants you to keep your eyes open and keep on looking to Him. He will heal you soon. Just believe. Only believe. Believe in my word. Believe in me. Believe with all of your heart. And He will not let you down. He will not let you be put to shame. God's promise with you is right. God's promise for you will have fulfillment. God is not a man that He should lie. He is right. He will do what He says. He is with you always. He doesn't want you to be put to defeat. He doesn't want you to go down defeated. He is with you always. He will always correct you. He will always guide you. And God bless you, and thanks for watching my video.